Hello, hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here, and this is from Homecraftology. They asked if they could send me a set of paintings to show you, and I said absolutely. So let's see what they sent. Thank you, Homecraftology. So it came like this, first of all, so I've got it out of that bag, and then it's in another bag. So let's get it out of this bag. All right, I hope everybody's doing great today. It's cold here, I'll just tell you, it's cold. It's in the 40s. Come on. I thought I was doing good. I had it unbagged already. Only to find another bag. Okay. Yep, so it's cold. Okay, seriously? I think it's in yet another bag in here. I think they're all bagged together inside here. Yes, they are. All right, 3 bags. They always send you this little card. It tells you all kinds of stuff, how to contact them, all their different media. Bag number 3. Here we go. All right. I have seen a couple people unbox these or unbag these already, but I hadn't seen them. I don't have them. So I thought, sure, send them my way so I can show everybody, right? Yeah. So, they're big on these 4-packs. And that's really nice. You get 4 paintings. When I just looked at the site, I believe it said these were 13. See, I always get them, you guys. Always. I'm the luckiest person for getting the little pull tabs. I don't know. Maybe everybody else gets them and they just don't say anything, but I do because it cracks me up. Anyhow, I think they were $13.99 on Amazon. So if you want to check them out on Amazon, I will link them below, of course. So I've got it rolled backwards, which we can do because it's poured glue. Here is our toolkit. Wax, pen, boat, a few baggies. All right. Here are our drills. Each one comes separately with their own drills. Pretty colors. They're very pretty. Yes. All right. So what's this first one look like? Ooh, look at that. It is bright. Ooh, there's some bright colors. Looks like fall to me, right? Looks like there's some orange leaves going on, or maybe it's just the sunset. I don't know, but it looks kind of fallish to me. But look at the boat. There's the dock, sun, very pretty. All right, it has 35 colors. Here are our symbols. Look at that, nice and clear. The 8's a little blurry. The A is a little blurry, but I mean, you can still tell what they are. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that 8's up here too. Or maybe that's a 3. No, that's a 3 up here. Those two, the 8 and the 3, are a tad blurry. But the 3's up here, 3's here, and the 8's down here, a totally different color. But anyhow, it's really pretty, right? Can't believe it has 35 colors. 35 colors. All right. I'm not going to measure this because I'm going to tell you right now, these poured glue canvases that come like this, this is supposed to be a 30 by 40. It's probably a 25 by 35, okay? The whole canvas would be 30 by 40. The drill area is always a little short when you get this type of a poured glue canvas. It says Homecraftology at the top. It has a thumbnail here, a picture. It's very pretty. It is very, very pretty. Cool. Let's look at the drills. We won't look at all the drills for all the sets, but we'll look at this one. Get us off to a good start, right? I know, it's noisy. Sometimes, I don't know, I think it's my phone is picking up sounds really, really, really good, I think, and it's making like a really glassy kind of sound, but it doesn't do it all the time, just once in a while. Oh, it's got 2 different strips here. Everybody calls these things different things. I just call them a strip. All right, there's gonna be lots of oranges and yellows, right? Boy, some beautiful purples, browns. This yellow is so vibrant. Oh my gosh, it's got to be, back here in the sun. So bright. Now, do they have DMC codes on the packages? Nope, just on the canvas. Okay. Browns, light browns, dark browns, pink, sage green. That's like 3 different shades of sage green. Dark, medium, and really light. Then we have a bunch of oranges. They just keep getting lighter and lighter and lighter. And then we're back here to just a tan. All right, so there's those. Now we pick up with some more tans. They're kind of all like in color order. Look, then we got blue, 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 cream, blue, blue, brown, brown. This is almost neon right here. That's a pretty orange. Mulberry, black, white. All right, cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. That one is really vibrant. That will turn out very pretty. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, I like this one. This one is interesting to me. These are rounds, by the way, right? Yeah, they're rounds. Come on. Oh, come on, it's stuck to the tab. Okay. Birds. Look, birds. We have birds in the sky. Oh, this has beautiful colors too. These are so bright, so vibrant. Okay. Another toolkit. More drills. All right, let's look at this one. I like this one. Okay, so we have the birds up in the sky. And look at the multicolored sky. Pinks and purples to yellows to oranges. I mean, that is beautiful, right? Sunset, sunrise. I say it's a sunrise because the birds are up, right? And then we have another dock here. And we have the plants growing up from the water there in front of the dock. 36 colors on this one. Look, I didn't show the legend on the other one, but it looks similar to this. Has the DMC numbers, letters, numbers, and then we get to some symbols here at the bottom. Look at those. Okay, these symbols are clearer than the last one. I don't see anything here that's blurry at all. I like this one. The other one had a couple symbols I think were a little blurry. I think you can tell them apart. That's not the issue, but they were just a tad blurry. So, very nice, right? And of course these guys are sticky. They're a poured glue. They're nice and sticky. The glue doesn't come out, you know, a whole long way. So that's cool. I'm not going to open up all the drills for this one, but we'll kind of, you got, you know, tans, browns. Lots of purples in this one. Look at all these purples. Purple, purple, pink, green, another purple over here, tans. Tans, purples, pinks. I mean, the colors are with there. You see them there. We'll open up another set of drills in a little bit, but which one do I want to do last? Let's see. Which drills do I want to open? Which ones do I think will be the prettiest? Let's save that one. Well, that one's interesting. This one, I think the colors will be pretty obvious what they're supposed to be. Again, look with the birds, right? Birds again. Oh boy, lots of birds. So, you know, that makes me think, I don't know, some of these feel very fallish to me. I mean, because that's my world right now. Very fall. And there's birds flying everywhere. There's geese, there's ducks, they're everywhere. Because, you know, they're heading out, man. They're heading out. It's time for them to, oh yes, look at those colors. Peach, orange, yellow, black. Oh, this has the DMC codes on it. Maybe they all do. I just didn't realize. 307, 310, 318. It has DMC codes on the packaging. 414. Well, let me go back and look. They do. They have them on the packaging as well. Okay. All right. My bad. They have them on the canvas and the package. Purples, peaches. Very pretty colors, right? Okay. We'll save the last one to open those up. Like I said, this one I think is going to be very apparent what the colors are. Greens for your dock, yellows, oranges, blue. The colors are, there are 34 of them though. In this size painting, 34 colors, that's a lot, right? I mean, in the dock, we got F, G, H, U. F, G, H, and U. That's just the green parts. So that's 4 colors of green, 4 shades of green. Then we have 6s. Oh, and something else, another symbol here, making the lines. Okay, they look really good, right? Like, very nice. You know, that's the one thing you can always count on. These guys have nice kits. They're nice. Smaller projects, easy to do, nice drills. They're going to turn out great, right? They're just going to turn out nice. Oh, let's open them. I want to see those greens. Lots and lots of colors in these. Oftentimes you get a 30 by 40 picture and they might have 22, 25 colors in them. These guys, they're hitting it out of the park with 34, 36, 35, yeah. Okay, look at those purples. Aren't they pretty? That is bright peach. It's a peach, but it's bright. All right, let's do this one. Yeah, I'm glad I noticed that they have the DMC codes on the bags too. Rusty color. Blue. Brown, blue, peach. Very pale yellow. I see the numbers this time. 742, 41, 740. 725, bright yellow. Taupe. Here's some of those greens. I'm sure that's probably in the dock. 436, 435, and 434. Just going right down in order here. 415, 414. They are in order. 340, 318, 310, 307. 225 is a pink. 223, 157, and ooh, look at 155. So they're all in order. Cool. All right. So that's 3 out of the 4. And then this one, this is one that intrigues me as well. I think it's because of the flowers. I like that one because of the plants. This one has plants too. Last one. Try not to make these much longer than 15, 16 minutes. Yeah. Oh, this one does have beautiful colors. I already like the colors. I do. Same toolkit. Oh, I like the, look at the colors. Yes, look at the pinks in there. Those are pretty. I saw them when I was unrolling this canvas and I was like, yes, I love these colors. I want to do this one. This one's pretty. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers growing in the water. I love those. Okay, so when I saw the thumbnail picture, look at the thumbnail. It looks much more subdued, doesn't it? But these colors look really bright. Really bright. Look at that R, for example. That is a bright green. And look at all the pinks and reds in the flowers. Super clear symbols on this one. I like this one. I do like this one. 33 colors on this one. Very pretty. All right, one more package of drills and we are done. Maybe if I talk while I open these, if it makes that weird noise, you won't be able to tell. I thought I just heard it right there. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know. Okay, here's a small strip. I call them strips. Other people call them other things. All right, look at those teals. Whoo, look at those. Look at those colors. Wow. Look at that bright yellow. Sun. Yep, sun. And there's that green. Look at that green. That is bright, isn't it? I wonder if it's 38.19. Nope, it's 907. Okay. Another green. Some yellowy cream colors. A couple more greens. Lots of greens in this one. Clearly, I mean, look at all the greens and the, yeah, lots of green. All right, one more strip. Gray. Oh, these are pretty. Look, here we go again with the gradient, right? Darkest, medium, light. And then they just throw that one in. Anyhow, he's kind of like a blue-gray. Cranberry. And then here we go again with the pinks. Look, dark, lighter, dark, lighter, greens, look, dark, medium, light, and then, you know, that guy. I like that. All right, so there you have it, you guys. This is the latest set I had to show you from Homecraftology. I love it. It's beautiful. I think they do a really nice job of finding images that will turn out in this size, right? And not be really pixelated or anything. I think I want to do that one with the pink flowers. That's really pretty. I like it. Anyhow, check them out. Like I said, I will link them below. I think they were $13.99 when I looked. Not bad. 4 paintings, $13.99. You do the math. How much is that a piece? Yeah, less than $5, right? Okay, you can't beat that with a stick, can you? All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Check it out, and thanks for hitting the subscribe button and the like button and coming back to see more of my videos. Thank you for becoming members, comments, all that stuff that you do, so I can do what I do. All right, until next time, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.